Hey everybody, Mr. Reen here, and we're going to be looking to answer a question about a changing environment dealing with our monkeys, and we're going to be selecting the answer we feel is best for our question. We will be pausing the video to help us select our answer once we go through the question, and then we'll break down the answer and the key concepts that help us figure it out. So let's go ahead and take a look at our questions on our diagram. The question is, if the tiger in the monkey's environment chased them up big trees, how did the environment and population change from time one to time two? So if we're looking at our diagram, we have two sets of variations within our population of monkey. We have large monkeys and small monkeys at population with the population at time one. And then over many generations, looking at population at time two, we see that the number of large monkeys and small monkeys have changed. And we got to figure out if the tigers in the monkeys' environment chased them up big trees, how did the environment and population change from time one to time two? So let's go ahead and take a look at our three possible answers and decide which one makes the most sense. So, option one, the environment had only small trees for small monkeys. Large monkeys changed to small monkeys in order to survive. Option two, the environment only had small trees for small monkeys. Large monkeys had small monkey offspring that survived. And option three, the environment only had small trees for small monkeys. Small monkeys survived and passed down their genes to their offspring over time. So, thinking about their environment, taking a look at what happens in population at time one compared to the diagram for population time two, make your selection as to which answer you think is best and pause the video. Unpause the video when you're ready to go over the answer. All right, do you think you got the right answer? Let's go ahead and take a look. When we're looking at these two, hopefully we're able to identify that the adaptive trait that shows up in population two would be these small monkeys. We have very few large monkeys. So we got to take a look at the question and think about what's going on in the environment. If tigers are chasing the monkeys up large trees and the large monkeys are going away and all we have is small monkeys, then we got to think about what is that relationship between the environment and the population. Well, the environment only has small trees that only the small monkeys can climb. The large monkeys can't climb them. Therefore, we know that with that small amount, our small set of trees, that these guys are going to have the adaptive trait and these guys are going to have the non-adaptive trait. So individuals with the adaptive trait, they're going to be more likely to live longer and have offspring. The larger ones are more likely to not. In this case, be chased up the tree by the tigers. So the question then becomes, well, how's the population changing? Well, we know that individuals inherit their genes from their parents. Genes, therefore traits in a population, are passed down. We know that large monkeys cannot change to small monkeys. Whatever traits they have are the traits they keep. We know that large monkeys can't have small monkeys because individuals pass their genes on to their offspring, and those genes and traits become their offsprings. So the only possible answer is the third one, that the environment changed to have only small trees. So our small monkeys had the adaptive trait, and these guys passed down their traits to their offspring over time. So that's how we use our key concepts to break down this question and select the correct answer. If you have questions, please reach out. Otherwise, good luck with the rest.